How to send disappearing photos on Instagram. So if you want to send one-time photo on Instagram, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to launch your Instagram application. And once you've launched, you need to go with the messages section, which is on the top right. Now under messages, you need to go with the chat in which you would like to send the disappearing photos. Go with the chat, and now you need to go with the camera shaped icon, which is on the bottom left. After that, take a shot. And once you've taken the shot, you need to just go with the bottom left, which has view once or allow replay or keep in chat. So you need to make sure that it is under view once. Once you've selected view once, then you can go with send. Now if the other person taps on it, then there will be only one option, which is they will only be able to see that photo or that video once. So that's it. That's how you can send disappearing photos on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.